Hi guys, I am Tina from Makeup Wearables, and today we're gonna create a waterfall braid into a French braid hairstyle. But before we start, I need to tell you guys that I went and chopped off 4 inches of my hair and then made it even shorter by making my layers too short. And all of this happened because I got too confident and thought that I could cut my own hair while watching YouTube videos. So until I can grow out this mess, my hairstyles are gonna look, well, pretty messy, I would say. But thankfully, I have hair extensions and products. So first, let's start by applying some hair wax all over. And then I'm gonna attach my go-to hair extensions. Thank God I have hair extensions from Luxury for Princess. If you have hair extensions too, attach it as you normally would, but attach the 2 clip wefts at the top like this. Then make sure to tease the top layer to cover it. Alright, so let's get braiding. After making a center part, split your hair into 3 sections like this. So to explain this, waterfall braids are basically a French braid on one side and a normal braid with a little difference on the other. Remember what I just said here, okay? Add in some hair from the bottom to the bottom strand before crossing it over the middle strand. But for the top strand, since we're not doing a French braid here, but a normal braid, we form a new strand to cross over. So we first need to get rid of the top strand. Then we're going to add in some hair and cross it over. So it's going to look like this. We add hair from the bottom to the bottom strand and cross it over. We get rid of the top strand and grab some hair from the top to cross over. Again, add hair from the bottom to the bottom section and take it over the middle. Get rid of the top section and grab some hair from the top to cross over. Hair from the bottom goes into the bottom strand before crossing it over. We get rid of the top strand and add hair to cross over. Are you guys getting this now? If you guys don't understand this and don't want to learn how to do waterfall braids, I'm going to show you guys how to fake this in the next tutorial, okay? So continue braiding all the way down until you get to the nape, where you're going to tie it with an elastic band. Alright, so if you got this far, you should pat yourself in the back because the hard part is done. All there's left to do is French braid. And to French braid this hairstyle, we're going to tilt our head and add hair from the left side to the left strand and cross it over. We tilt our head, add hair from the right side to the right strand and cross it over. We tilt our head again, left side to left strand, and we cross it over. We tilt our head and right side to right strand and cross it over. Even if you're doing this on someone else, have them tilt their head for you so you can see where the waterfall braids are falling, all right? And that's pretty much it. And I'm using a lot of hairspray here because of my short layers, but you certainly don't need to. And we're pretty much done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this braid with your friends. And I'll see you guys next Thursday. I love you guys. Bye.